To fix EAFC26 crashing on PC, these are the options. 1. Check minimum requirements. Make sure your PC meets the game's minimum system requirements: RAM, GPU, CPU storage. 2. Update GPU drivers. Go to NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin and update your graphics drivers. 3. Run as administrator. Right-click the EAFC26 shortcut, then go Run as administrator. 4. Verify game files. Open EA app or Steam, go to Library, then go EAFC26, then go Verify or Repair files. 5. Disable overlays. Turn off Steam overlay, Discord overlay, and GeForce overlay, as they may cause crashes. 6. Lower graphics settings. Set graphics to medium or low in-game, especially if you're using an older GPU. 7. Close background apps. Exit unnecessary apps like browsers or recording software to free up memory.